Good morning, children. This is the 9th standard chemistry session. Let us see Fagent's rule. Some of the ionic compounds show covalent character. So, ionic compounds, some of them having little bit covalent character, or covalent compounds having little bit ionic character. So, let us discuss this character. Based on this, he formulated, that is, Fagent formulated a set of rules to predict whether a chemical bond is ionic or covalent. What are the rules? That formulated by considering first one, charge of the cation. Listen, children, charge of the cation or size of the cation and anion. Size of the cation and a charge of the cation, or that this is the one rule. Second one, size of the cation and anion. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. This is the very important objective type question in NEET exam, all exams. Listen, size. Cation na positive charge, anion negative charge. Size of the cation, small, big. Charge, high, anion charge also high. Electronic configuration structure, NS2, NP6, NP10. What is this? So, which one is the highest covalent character? Which one is high boiling point? Such question will be arised in the objective type. Okay, so we can find out which ionic compounds has more covalent character according to size or charge or electronic configuration. If the cation is small, the covalent character will be more. Okay, let me give example. In the following ionic compounds, lithium chloride, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, rubidium chloride, cesium chloride. These are all ionic compounds. In the following ionic compounds, which one is having more covalent character? This is the question. So, among the 5 compounds, lithium chloride is a more covalent character because it is the smallest among the 5 one. Why it is smallest? Listen, anions are same. So, don't worry about the anion size. So, cation size, lithium, sodium, potassium. So, next period, this element present in the, I think, second period, in periodic classification, periodic table. நீ பீரியாடிக் டேபிளில் போய் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும். ஸோ அதில் நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் உனக்கு. ஸோ என் குரூப்பில் சைஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும், பீரியடில் சைஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்லாம் நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அதை நல்லா பாரு. ஸோ ஹியர் lithium chloride, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, rubidium chloride, cesium chloride. Size, which one is small? Lithium is small. So according to that, what Fagent told? Size. Cation, small, covalent character, more. So here, this is smaller. So this one is having more covalent character. Size is small, more covalent character. Okay, great. So size small, covalent character also greater. Compared to this one, this is more covalent character, this one. Okay. So this is the first size of the cation. Okay. Next we will move to what? Size of the anion. Size of the anion. Size of the anion, what is given? Big. Okay, if the size of the anion is bigger, its covalent character will be more. So, We can see some example such as this one. Lithium chloride, lithium bromide, lithium iodide. So what is this? Out of 3, lithium iodide is having more covalent character because of the size of the anion. Size of the anion, iodide is bigger. This is the second period, this is the third period, this is the fourth period. So in period, size of the size, how is it? Size period la increase agum. So this is the fifth period, this is the also bigger size. Okay, so out of 3, which one is bigger anion? Out of 3, iodine is a bigger anion. So what is given? Anion is bigger. Anion bigger na, that is lithium iodide having more covalent character compared to these 2. So these are first character and second character. Next, we will move to third. Third, what is given? Charge. Charge of the cation will be high. Charge of the anion will be high. Okay, this is the rule. So let us see some example in second character. Charge. Sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, aluminum chloride. You know, charge of the sodium, 1. Sodium charge, here we need not worry about the anion, charge of the anion, because they are all same. All compounds having the same anion, chlorine, chlorine, chlorine. That is sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, aluminum chloride. So all the anions are same. Okay, so we need not worry about that. We have to consider only cation. Cation here, sodium charge 1, magnesium charge 2, aluminum charge 3. That means what? Sodium, after removing 1 electron, it convert to Na plus. Magnesium, after removal of 2 electron, magnesium convert to Mg2 plus. After removal of 3 electron, aluminium convert to Al3 plus. So charge எப்படி இருக்கு? Increase ஆயிட்டே இருக்கு. Charge higher இருக்கிறதுக்கு தான் covalent character more இருக்குன்னு நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். So out of 3, aluminum chloride has more covalent character. Okay. Have you followed? புரியுதா? Next, what is given? Electronic configuration. Electronic configuration what? NS2, NP6, ND10. Listen, NS2, NP6, ND10 structure. So இந்த structure இருந்தா covalent character அதிகமா இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? So examples பார்க்கலாம். See, sodium chloride, copper chloride. Sodium chloride, sodium after removal of 1 electron it convert to Na plus. So atomic number sodium 11. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So sodium plus na, so in the 1 electron varadu. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. This is active structure. The 1s2 ngiradhu helium structure. So I am writing He. So 2s2, 2p6. This is active structure. Okay. Copper chloride. Atomic number 29. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d10. Listen carefully. 4s1, 3d10. So Cu plus means what? Removal of 1 electron. It convert to this structure. Okay. Appo this is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. This is argon structure. So argon. Remaining what? 3d10 only present. So 3d10. So this structure means 3s2, 3p6, 3d10. That's why given ns2, np6, nd10. Those compounds having this structure will be more covalent character. Have more covalent. In this case of electronic configuration, the compounds having NS2, NP6, ND10 structure will have more covalent character. So, we saw examples. NaCl, CuCl. Which one is having more covalent character? This is copper chloride having more covalent character because of having this structure. Okay, Purida, children, Fajn's rule. So you have to consider this 5 rule: size of the cation, size of the anion, charge of the cation, charge of the anion, and then electronic configuration. That is structure of the electronic configuration structure. Okay. Next class, we will see the coordinate covalent bond. Thank you, children.